Welcome to this Design Flex training session. In this video, you'll learn how to create, modify, and position a waterfall countertop step by step. Begin by creating a placement zone using the construction lines in the floor plan. Left-click to start placing the placement zone. Next, enter the value 50 in the placement box to define a 50-inch placement zone. Once that is set, place two 24-inch base cabinets side by side from the Sample F catalog. Next, click on Items, and then select Countertops and Trims. Choose the Room Top catalog, and select the square foot top option to place the countertop onto the cabinets. To adjust the countertop dimensions, right-click on it and select Edit Shape. Place your cursor on the line at the end of the countertop and drag it slightly to the right or left. In the Placement tool, type 0.5 in the X field, then click Accept Changes to apply the modification. This extends the countertop overhang to 1.5 inches. Now, let's create a rectangular countertop. In the Annotations menu, click on Rectangle, then click once on the floor plan and move your mouse to define the shape. Press the Tab key twice to move the focus to the Width field in the Placement tool, and type 1.5. Then press Tab again to move to the Height field, type 26, and press Enter. Right-click on the rectangular shape and click Make 3D. This opens the Countertops dialog. Ensure the selected catalog is Room Top. Select the option 3D.shape and then select Place. To adjust the height, right-click on the rectangular shape and choose Attributes. You can adjust the height by changing the value and applying it to the 3D shape. Finally, place the rectangular countertop against the base cabinets to complete the setup. You can adjust your countertop and 3D shape texture by right-clicking on the item, then selecting Attributes, Variables, and click the Countertop Texture or the 3D Texture variable. The Textures library will show up, and you can choose between many default textures available on Design Flex. Don't forget to add the same texture to the 3D shape as well. You can create your own textures by searching online for seamless texture images. Several websites offer ready-to-use seamless textures, while others allow you to generate custom ones from any image. After saving your image, use a seamless texture checker to ensure it tiles smoothly without visible edges. And that's it! You've just learned how to create a waterfall countertop and apply realistic textures to bring your design to life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.